Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to replace audio from your Instagram Reels. Actually sometimes we add audio in our Instagram Reels, but in some cases the audio gets removed from our Instagram Reels. So this is really problematic. So in this video I will show you how you can replace audio which is showing unavailable from your Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First of all, open Instagram. After that, here you click on your profile icon. Then here you select the reels. So here I will select this reels video. Now here you can see that my reels audio is unavailable right now. So here you click on three dots at the bottom right corner. Then click on manage. After that, click on edit. Then here you click on replace audio. After that, here you select the audio which you want to add to your reels. So here I will select this audio. After that, click on done. Then click on check mark icon at the top right corner. After that, just go back to your profile. And here you just refresh this page. Now if I click on that reels to play it, then you can see that the audio has been replaced successfully. So by this process you can replace audio from your Instagram reels. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.